So we just got breakfast delivered to us with the anniversary package. And this is our meal. We have an egg white omelet here. We just asked for like 2 sausages and 2 bacons, but they gave us a whole plate. We have hot water for our tea, and then they gave us coffee and orange juice, and this is the Eggs Benedict. And it came with a bottle of champagne to make mimosas. This is what was in the box that we ordered, and just wanted to show you like what it looks like now with COVID season happening. All the silverware comes in this plastic type of container with this sticker on it to show you it's been sanitized, and everything is wrapped up, including the tea kettle with the little plastic on there. So yeah, let me set everything up and then show you what our food looks like. I got the huevos rancheros, and it comes with black beans and tomato with some diced onion, cilantro, and my eggs with red sauce. We have wheat toast and milk, some tea. I asked them for a side of bacon to go with Mark's meal, which is just a omelet with cheese and a hash brown with a tomato. So there you go. Right when you walk down the steps, to your right is the Mexican restaurant called Tres Colores. They are closed right now. They usually open sometimes for lunch and dinner, but with COVID, every other restaurant is open. And then going down around over here, there's Le Trois, which is a French restaurant, and the Meses, which is a Mediterranean restaurant down that way. Okay, and when you walk down the steps to your left, you have World Cafe, which is usually the buffet, but right now they actually have closed it down and they are expanding on the inside to make it more COVID friendly. So there's no buffet at the moment. And this right here is Fusion, which is an Asian restaurant, and they are usually only open for dinner time.